What's up there, friends, family, and neighbors? It's your neighborhood car guy, Mr. Rogers, back once again with McConnell Chevrolet Prescott Jeep Ram in Healdsburg. Want to go over another trick with you. Check it out. Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. Mr. Rogers here. Let's go over another hack. We're gonna go settings, hit vehicle, comfort, convenience, remote folding mirrors. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. We're gonna jump out of this, hit the home button, so you're back here. Now let's go to the next step. All right, so next step, lock and hold, and you fold in your mirrors. Hold down unlock, and you pop out your mirrors. Hope this helped. You can do it on LTZ, Silverado, High Country Silverado, SLT Sierra, Denali Sierra, Tahoe, Yukons. Hope this helped. Subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up, click the bell so you don't miss another video. Comment, tell us what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.